Hey there folks, this is Johnny again, and if you've been wondering where is the vocal edition of the latest album Revive and what's up with not really bringing out any videos lately, or perhaps you haven't wondered, either way, well, Revive Vocals Edition will come out this month, so March 2019. Brian just needs to record one or the other retake and make one or the other edition on 2 songs, and then vocals are 100% done, and I just need to make a couple of fine tweaks in the mixes and then do some quick and dirty mastering, and off it goes. Here's some clips.
Escape, resist, evade, persist. Welcome, welcome. Anything it takes to survive outlast this prison kingdom. Always do this. Prioritization of our roots of preservation.
Now mind you, these are not 100% the final product. For example, I still need to tweak the room mics on the drums there. I tend to make them too loud somehow. So those need to come down to add a bit more, to keep things clearer and whatnot. And yeah, somehow I feel like I still need to make the rhythm guitar stand out a little bit more. But we'll see, we'll see. Those fine tweaks will still come. Hey, if you hear something in the mix that you think could be improved, then by all means, I'm open to suggestions. I mean, when you're working on your own music, especially on one album for like, this has been in the works for what, 2 years now? I mean, the instrumental was released not last year, but the year before that, the end of 2017. No, wait. When was it released? I can't remember. Or was it? It was some time ago, definitely. You just kind of lose an objective perspective on your own mix and your own music. So second opinions are always good. Now, about making videos, well, when I don't feel like it, I don't feel like it. I mean, YouTube is a pure hobby, and I don't make any money off it. I mean, I do have the AdSense account, but it's like every couple of months I get like 70 bucks. That's it. Okay, it's nothing really to talk about. So more often than not, I actually don't feel like making videos because it's actually a little bit taxing on me. You know, I need to focus and concentrate while I'm talking to you, and my concentration is not the best, and I'm not much of a talker. So making videos is taxing for me. And I really need to be in a very good mood and have a high energy to really make videos on a more regular basis, and that's just not the case. When you see me making videos like 2 or 3 times a week for 1 or 2 months, then I'm in a really high phase of high energy and I'm really into it, but that's rare, and that's why I don't make videos that regularly. Especially now. This last year and towards the end of last year was very stressful for me, and also this year I'm just kind of trying to get out of that low phase and back up in a better mood and better energy, and yeah, we'll see how things will develop there. But when the album is out, I will be building me a new PC, and that will definitely make a little video series. I will take you along on how I choose parts for it and how I build it and what kind of programs and plugins I will be installing, because I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. Because I am actually switching full on to Cakewalk now. Pretty much all the issues I had with my first impression video are gone. They're resolved since they brought out an update in the meantime, and that did a lot of good for it. So that's a good time to just make a complete overhaul of my system and my workflow and see what do I actually need software-wise and what do I not need, and I can just ditch it. And it will also be a good opportunity to make some videos on mixing and working in Cakewalk. Especially interesting to me is building a complete analog recording and mixing chain with the Pro channel. That's definitely a video I want to make. It adds so much mojo to your mix. It's unbelievable. Okay, now is there anything else I'm missing? Not sure. And at this point I already notice my concentration is just going ruh. And I still need to go to work today, teach some kids some guitar. Perfect job for me. So let's leave it at that, and I shall see you next time, I suppose.